think audiences can expect a very different world to the traditional Shakespeare.
It's got a bit of Netflix, a bit of Game of Thrones about it.
This is much more visceral.
It's raw, it's really raw and emotionally charged.
It's about ambition, and ultimately everyone generally thinks about themselves. Today that seems to be the thing that's happening.
Well, it's about a marriage being pushed to its limits. That's timeless.
The themes within it, the relationships within it will always resonate and always have. Some of the themes within the play are very prominent in different parts of the world.
There are parts of the world at this moment who are suffering the effects of what this play is saying.
It says a lot about people living in desperate times. People do what they feel they have to do just in order to survive.
It's always resonated with audiences, and there's nothing changed in that way. All the things that it's about, ambition, greed, how dangerous it is to overstep the marks, not being able to deal with the consequences of extreme actions, those things have always been relevant, and so this will always be relevant.